Hello YouTube! Welcome back to BeautyBraveQuest. Only on this channel you're gonna see things that no one has done before. You choose the colors of my next makeup by leaving your comment down below. Of course, the most liked comment wins. Before we jump in, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more fun and creative makeup tutorials. Let's check out the top comment. And the winning color is... Ooh, orange! Nice! Dear subscriber, I got you! So I'm going to show you how to create a stunning orange makeup look. It's perfect for adding a pop of color to your summer style. Okay, our base is done. Let's move on to the eyes. Orange is such a fun color to play with, and it can really make your eyes stand out. I'm using an eyeshadow primer to ensure our colors really pop and stay put all day. This one has a silky texture and blends beautifully. I dip into a light peach shade and sweep it across my entire lid as a base. Then I pick a brighter orange and concentrate it on the outer corners of my eyes, blending it inwards to create a smooth gradient effect. For a bit of drama, I'm going to use a darker burnt orange. This adds dimension and really makes the look stand out. For the extra sparkle, I'm adding a shimmering gold orange to the center of my lids. And of course, we can't forget the eyeliner and mascara. Now, let's give our brows some love. I'm keeping them natural to let the eye makeup be the star of the show. To tie the look together, I'm using a peachy blush and a touch of highlighter for that summer glow. For the lips, I'm going with a orange liner. For a fun twist, I'm adding a bit of that gold orange shimmer to the center and topping it off with clear gloss. And there you have it! I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to try it yourselves. Don't forget to tag me in your looks. If you have more color combination ideas, let's get a unique and colorful makeup together. Just leave a comment below with your suggestion. I remind you that the most liked comment will be featured in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye!